guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I will be showing you how to do a pedicure at home. So pedicure is again something that we have been missing getting it done from the parlors, but it truly is a very easy thing to do at home. And to top it all off, it's a very relaxing procedure. Basically, आजकल हम घर पे या तो नंगे पाँव घूमते हैं या we are wearing slippers and roaming around. Basically, so to say that the feet of ours are going through quite a lot and they deserve a mini vacation of their own, right? So I will be showing you a very detailed procedure on how I do my pedicure with things that are more or less very easily available at home. If you can't find any of this at home, you can easily purchase it from anywhere. So yeah, two disclaimers that I would like to give you. One, if you have any sort of feet phobia or hate the idea of looking at feet, do not watch this video because it will just be me showing you how I do my pedicure. Second, you are entering a no judgment zone. So dare you judge how my feet look, because I had to wait a very long time to make my feet actually filthy so that you can have a nice before and after look. I generally don't wait that long for a pedicure, but for the video I had to. So dare you judge how pathetic my feet look, but I'm sure they look beautiful by the end of the video. So yes, without making this any longer, let me jump right into it.
So I'll quickly show you the products that you need for today's pedicure. So the first, of course, is warm water, which is abhi garam ho raha hai, so but it's just water in a tub. The second product that you need is any cold cream to massage your feet. So I'm using this emo oil cream. You can use any cold cream, any Pond's, any Charmis, basically कोई भी heavy cream ताकि आपका foot अच्छे से moisturize हो. The next step that you need is nail polish removing wipes to remove any nail polish at all that you might have on your toes. Followed by this bath salt that I bought from Plosh. Plosh is a fantastic organic brand. I will put the link in the description. You should definitely try it out. They also have an additional discount if you use the coupon code SHLAGHA. This is in the variant of lemongrass, which is fantastic for pedicures. If you do not have a bath salt at hand, don't worry, just use any namak. Followed by any foaming agent. So the foaming agent I'm using is Hotel Se Churaya Hua shampoo. You can use anything that you like at all. You can use a shampoo, you can use a body wash at all. और ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि आपने होटल से कुछ चुराया ना हो. So you put that to good use. Followed by the three kind of scrubs that you would use. So it could be a pumic stone, it could be a foot file, or it could be a foot scrub. It could be either of these things. They do the same thing. So feel free to use whatever you have at hand. The next is a exfoliator. So for this I am using this VLCC face scrub. I know it says it's a face scrub, but I use it as a foot scrub because इसके जो particles हैं मुझे बहुत बड़े लगते हैं for face, and for a foot scrub it works wonderfully well. The next is of course using a nail cutter, a nail file, the nail polish of your choice. I'm using the one from Miniso. Any moisturizer to finally finish this up. I'm using the revitalizing green tea moisturizer. A toothbrush, an old toothbrush. What is the purpose of this? I'll show you, but have an old toothbrush at hand. And most importantly, any drink of your choice. I'm having water, but you feel free to have wine, Coca-Cola, or any drink at all because it's a long procedure and it has to be a relaxing one. Oh, and obviously keep a hand towel handy as well to dry your feet whenever required. So yes, let me jump into the procedure of the pedicure. So this is just like a before shot of what my feet looked before I started with the pedicure. I had dryness around my toes, I had cracked heels. Of course, the nails looked pathetically filthy. But yeah, don't get uncomfortable. This is what generally our feet look like जब घर पे होते हैं. So yeah. First things first, as part of the preparations, I will remove the nail polish on my toes. Very important to work on absolutely clean nails. So make sure you have properly removed all the nail polish on your toes. The next step is preparing the water. The water should be hot. It should not be boiling, neither should it be lukewarm. Take a nice temperature. In this I'm adding the bath salt, a good amount of the bath salt. This is lemongrass, and bath salts are very good for pedicures. If you don't have it, use salt. Salt also works very well. I'd also added some foaming agent to it, which I forgot to shoot. The next step is moisturizing the feet. Very important step, because बहुत important है कि अपना पैर को आप soft करो पहले before you start the pedicure. Because अगर आप hard पैर पे if you scrub your feet, then the chances of cutting them is more. So make sure you're using a nice cold cream. Use Pond's, Nivea, Charmis, whichever cold cream you have, and properly moisturize your feet. This ideally should be made a part of your routine every time you take a bath. Moisturize your feet, guys. Moving on to the best part of the pedicure, the foot soak. Sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Get a book, get a drink, do whatever, but unwind. This is the time when you relax. Now that the foot has soaked into the water, the nails have become soft. So this is the best time to cut your nails according to the shape and size that you want. It's easier to chop them when they are soft because it also reduces the chances of them breaking. Next step is exfoliating. I'm using the walnut scrub that I've already shown you. It's a very good scrub for the foot because again, as I'd already mentioned, walnut के particles थोड़े big होते हैं. And truth be told, हम अपने पैरों को उतना ध्यान नहीं रखते हैं जितना हम अपने हाथों का रखते हैं. But it's very important to take care of our foot as well because they also gather a lot of dirt and lot of dryness and lot of dead skin cells. So take a good amount, make sure you get the inside of the toes and scrub your foot well. Scrubbing also helps in improving the blood flow, which is fantastic. The next step, I will use that old toothbrush that I was talking about previously. Uspe I will put the hotel wala shampoo and I will brush my nails with this. 2-3 advantages of this. One is if there's any remains of the nail polish remover, oil or any dirt, it helps in double cleaning the nail. Second, इससे एक बड़ा natural सा shine आ जाता है nail को. And the third advantage is it also helps in reducing the yellowness of the nails. बड़ा देसी सा step है, but it personally helps me a lot, so you should try. The next step is when you take care of those cracked heels and those hard heels. Very bad on my part that I could not see the camera and I'm clearly not in frame. But this is where you use a pumic stone, a foot file or a foot scrub to give your heels a very good scrub. Don't go soft on yourself, but don't also go very harsh. But give your heels a very good scrub to remove all the dead skin cells that there are. As soon as the heels become soft, stop scrubbing, otherwise chances are you'll cut yourself. We are done with the tedious part of the pedicure and now we'll moisturize our feet. Use any good body lotion to do this. And like I've already mentioned, please make it a part of your daily routine. Whenever you're done with your showers and whenever you're done with your bathing, please make sure you moisturize your feet. It is equally important to moisturize your feet as it is to moisturize any other part of your body. We tend to ignore this quite a lot of times, but very important, I'm telling you. The last and the completely optional step, apply the nail polish of your choice. If you want your nail polish to last longer, you should apply a transparent top coat to give it a nice, long-lasting finish. Ta-da! We are done with the pedicure. The foot felt so soft and so moisturized only if you could feel it through the camera.
That's it from my side for today's video. I hope you found this pedicure video useful and I hope you try this at home. If you do, definitely let me know and give me the before and after. I would love to see it. One tip that I would like to give you before you sit for a pedicure is dim the lights a little, put on your favorite music, and as I've already mentioned in the video, grab a glass of your favorite drink and give yourself this little mini spa. You absolutely deserve it and give yourself this me time. It actually is pretty relaxing and will end up giving you a lot of energy for the future tasks to come. I have already also done a manicure video. I'll try to link it somewhere, and if you haven't checked that out, please check it out and let me know what you felt about this video or my videos in general. I would love to read your views, and your comments and your likes are actually very motivating, so keep them coming. Other than that, take care of yourselves, guys. Loads of love. Bye bye.